Hey guys, I've been working on the railroad.
I would love a sticker that said neighborhood trolley. Oh, was I obsessed with that trolley on Mr. Rogers? Anyone else? So last night the trolley kept stopping and I figured it was some track issue. I used some of these Piko track thingies. The trolley's been running beautifully since I put the rail clamps on. I got mine at Train Shack. I'll put a link in the description if anyone's interested. And speaking of Train Shack, did anyone else see them on Jimmy Kimmel? I can link to that too. These have been good both for power and keeping the tracks together. Alright, let's get some other trains running. I don't even remember how long ago I was last down here. I'm sure the tracks need a cleaning. I think some of these tracks got a little bit warped during moving, right? I think even from here I can see the bumps in them. Maybe eventually I can replace some of these. This track in the back still needs some work. I'm gonna try putting a few joiners on it. Just don't lose this thing. Seems like I could do a little track cleaning. Hey, why are you stopping?
Oh, I was just about to declare victory.
These tracks could probably use a few clamps as well.
Alright, looks like I've got all 4 trains running.
Everyone working now? Everyone good? Yeah?
Alright, so there's my short update video. I know it's been a while. I'm gonna end here. Thank you guys for watching. Good night.